Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put the little line above a letter in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put the little line above a letter. Firstly, write a letter in this document. Then go to the insert menu and click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Then go to the font normal text and subset combining directional marks. Then select the combining directions, then insert it, then close the window. Now we can see here we put the little line above this letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.